Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this 1080 cam. So we're going to show you guys what you get, and then we're going to go ahead and show you guys the footage. Gives you a Type C, oh no, this is the micro C cable with the USB end. This is your bracket for mounting. It is mounted by double-sided tape. They also give you this other piece and double-sided tape, as well as a manual. So guys, for this, download their app and also follow the manual if you guys want to see, how that works. We're going over and we're going to show you guys the footage. Now, I do want to point out that some people actually do use this as a dash cam as well. You guys can use this however you want. You can use it as a bike cam, dash cam, whatever cam you want. Nanny cam, works for many different things. So basically all you do is you turn it on the back here.
Powering on. Entering pairing mode.
It then enters pairing mode, and then you connect it with your phone and the app. It's very easy, very simple, guys. So let's show you the quality.
Entering pairing mode.
So one thing I actually don't like about this is they make you sign up with an account. Then they make you give access to a whole bunch of information, and then you got to go through and get an email confirmation. And once you do that and you get everything approved, then you do all of that, then you got to log in with your you got to connect it to your internet. So you got to put your internet password in. So I don't like that at all. I wish they would have make this way more simpler than they actually do. So that's my negative thoughts on this. So I'm going to show you guys the footage, and you guys can dictate for yourself your opinion on it. So this is the quality of it. This is how it works. So yeah. That's how quality is. That's how it works. Hopefully it's good enough.